In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Zoom. Before we dive in, a quick note. Upgrading your Zoom plan is different from updating the Zoom app on your device. Your plan controls features like meeting length, participant limits, and admin tools, while the app update simply ensures you're running the latest software. We'll cover both so you know exactly what to do. To upgrade your Zoom subscription through the website, start by signing in at zoom.us. Once you're in, look for Plans and Pricing. Here, you'll see options like Pro, Business, and more. Choose the plan that matches your needs, then select the number of hosts you want to include and decide whether you prefer monthly or yearly billing. When you're ready, continue to payment and complete the purchase. Upgrades usually take effect right away. If you're already mid-billing cycle, Zoom typically prorates the difference automatically, so you only pay for the remainder of the period at the new rate. If you're already on a paid plan and want to switch from monthly to annual billing, you have two common paths. If you originally subscribed through an app store, such as on iOS, manage that change in your device's subscription settings. Otherwise, go to the Zoom web portal, open Billing, then Current Plan, and switch to the annual option there. Many users choose annual billing to reduce overall cost and simplify renewals. If you need more capacity without moving to a higher core plan, consider add-ons. For example, a large meeting license lets you increase the number of participants for specific hosts. To explore these, go to Billing, then Current Plans, and select Interested in other available plans to see what's offered. For larger organizations or custom solutions, you may be prompted to contact Zoom Sales to tailor an enterprise agreement. Now, let's talk about updating the Zoom app itself, which is separate and free. On desktop, open Zoom, click your profile icon, and select Check for Updates. Install any available update and relaunch the app if prompted. On mobile, simply visit the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android and update Zoom from there. Keeping the app current ensures better performance, security fixes, and compatibility with new features in your upgraded plan. That's it. Choose the right plan, confirm your billing preferences, add licenses if you need more capacity, and keep your app updated so everything runs smoothly.